Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by and please subscribe to this channel for more food related content. To all my returning subscribers, I appreciate your support. In today's video, we'll be making potato pottage. This can also be made with yam or cocoyam, normally available in the southern hemisphere. For our ingredients, we need potatoes, ginger, pepper, spring onion, garlic, chicken breast, smoked mackerel, palm oil, salt, carrots, and peas. All ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. We'll begin by blending 1 onion, garlic, ginger, and spring onion. We'll add about 100 ml of water. Next, we'll season our chicken, which has been cut into mouth-bite sizes with the blended ingredients. Add some salt and cook until the chicken is tender. So as our chicken is cooking, we'll be working on our potatoes. We'll peel about 10 table potatoes, wash them up, and cut them into smaller chunks. So after about 20 minutes on medium heat, our chicken is done. We'll separate our chicken from the stock and set it aside to use later. And there we have the chicken and the stock. Next, we'll pour the stock over our potatoes and then add about 1 liter of water. I added this much because I want to serve my pottage with some soup at the side, but if you do not want soup, only add about 800 ml of water. We add some salt to it and give it a good stir. Next, we'll add our tomatoes, onion, pepper, and carrots. Cover it up and let it cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll take out our vegetables and blend them. Pour the blended ingredients over the potatoes and ensure to give it a stir intermittently to prevent it from burning. Let this cook for about 15 to 20 more minutes until the potatoes are very soft. So after about 20 minutes, I'll be dishing out some soup. And as we can see, our potatoes are very, very soft. Mash the potatoes to your desired consistency. You can use your spoon for this process or even blend it. Next, we'll add our peas, our chicken, and smoked mackerel, and allow it to simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. We'll then pour our palm oil over it. I'm using palm oil I scooped from my palm soup, so it's enriched with the flavor of the soup. If you are using store-bought palm oil, please saute some onions in it to enhance the flavor. Let this simmer for about 5 more minutes. And there we have it, another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Until I come your way again, it's bye.